The Walker County Sheriff's Office will soon be able to better protect themselves if exposed during a drug bust.
Let's find out more from Dallas Payton.
The Sheriff's Office will be getting self-contained breathing apparatus. It'll provide breathable air in places deputies may be exposed to during a drug bust. Walker County Board of Commissioners approved the purchase of 6 self-contained breathing apparatus. Lieutenant Cook with the Walker County Sheriff's Office says this is vital to ensure that deputies make it home safe.
It's the backpack with an air tank on it and has the full face screen with a regulator that comes up that breathes air to them. So the air that the deputies will be breathing was completely coming from that oxygen tank. We're not having to filter that from exterior air.
Lieutenant Cook says the heavy push for the equipment came after a huge drug bust in Walker County a month ago.
At that time, we found a fentanyl pill production facility in Walker County that had an enormous amount of product. They had a commercial grade pill press that was capable of producing 4,800 pills an hour. And needless to say, the containment inside this was not pharmaceutical grade. There was a great potential for exposure.
The Walker County Fire Department was called in for assistance since self-contained breathing apparatus is already a part of their gear. In 2020, Lieutenant Cook says fentanyl exposure cost the life of one of his deputies.
The seizure I believe it was on a traffic stop, and he packaged his evidence correctly. The problem is that when he was turning it in, he had taken off his protective equipment, gloves and things of that nature, and just the amount of the exposure on the exterior of the packaging absorbed through his skin.
Cook warns people that other drugs are now being laced with fentanyl.
Things that you think you're okay to indulge in, you cannot guarantee that fentanyl's not there. It's very prevalent, very dangerous.
The breathing equipment is expected to be in within the next couple of months. For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.